This was our first project that we dedicated in 1989. We named it after a triple amputee as a result of wounds he received in Vietnam for Daniel Vickroy. Dan unfortunately got hit by a Claymore mine that took both of his legs and part of his right arm. So Dan also spent a lot of time in the VA hospital and was with us, fortunately, when we dedicated. He passed away several years ago, unfortunately, but this was our very first dedication and a very worthy candidate to start our trail with.